Welcome to the Deakin Hydrogen Hub, a place where innovation, culture, community and country come together to shape Australia's clean energy future. Grounded in deep respect for Indigenous knowledge and connection to place, the Hub draws inspiration from the basalt landscapes and aquifers of Budge Bim. But it's what happens inside the Hub that truly brings this place to life. The Deakin Hydrogen Hub is a national centre for clean energy innovation, leading Australia's transition to hydrogen through research, education and industry collaboration. Here, Deakin researchers, students and partners work side by side to tackle some of the world's most pressing energy challenges. A key focus of the Hub is fuel cell testing for hard to decarbonise applications. Areas like heavy transport, industry light aviation and remote energy systems where traditional electrification alone isn't enough. The work happening here is helping unlock cleaner low and zero carbon alternatives for sectors that are critical to Australia's economy and regional communities. Researchers at the Hub are also developing next generation fuel cell membrane materials designed to improve efficiency, durability and performance. These advances play a vital role in making hydrogen technologies more reliable, affordable and ready for real-world use. Just as importantly, the Hub is a place of learning and discovery. Through hands-on technology demonstrations, hydrogen is demystified, helping students, industry and the wider community understand how these technologies work and how they can be safely and effectively used in everyday life. It's not just about advancing technology, but building understanding, trust and social licence so communities can confidently embrace clean energy futures. Above all, the Deakin Hydrogen Hub is a place for people, a space where research and education meets industry, where STEM careers are inspired and where regional innovation is empowered. Here at Deakin Warrnambool, the future of clean energy isn't just imagined, it's tested, demonstrated and shared.